Hola a todos! Hoy me veo muy presentadora, ¿eh? Today I feel like a TV presenter with these clothes. Buenos días, bienvenidos al informativo de los lunes. Right, empezamos. Let me tell you something. If there's anything Spanish people don't like, it's imagination. We've got some of the most hilarious idioms in the world and also most confusing. Do you want to learn some of them? Today I'm here to tell you some of the 10 most confusing and hilarious idioms explained. Venga, vamos! Starting strong. A ver, empezamos fuerte. Excuse my French. I've always loved that expression. Excuse my French. Excuse my Spanish. But this is a little bit rude, what I'm about to say. And it's one of the most common expressions in Spain. Me cago en la leche! Me cago en la leche. My husband knows this one well because from time to time he hears me shouting this around the house. Especially when I knock something over or when I hit the corner of the table with my leg. Me cago en la leche. Literal meaning, I poo in the milk or I shit in the milk. However you want to translate it. I know, Spanish people are kind of obsessed with the poo idioms and poo phrases and poo traditions. You know that if you're following my channel and you've seen some of the videos of cultural shocks. I know, what can I say? So, remember, you want to sound Spanish, or if you go to Spain, you will hear this a lot. Me cago en la leche, which literally means I poo in the milk. However, in actual speech, we don't say me cago en la leche because it's kind of an exclamation, a surprise. You're angry normally when you say it. Things haven't gone your way. Therefore, we make it quicker. We say me caguen. Me caguen. We kind of join the O with the E. Me caguen, it almost becomes like a U. Me cago en la leche. Me cago en la leche. He suspendido el examen. Me cago en la leche. I have failed my exam. I poo in the milk. It's the meaning. It means like, damn it, okay? You use it when things are not going the way you would like them to go. Montar un pollo. No, it's not this. It's not what you're imagining. Montar un pollo, literal meaning to ride a chicken. To ride a chicken? What's wrong with us? As you can imagine, it does not mean to ride a chicken. Thank God for that. It means to make a scene. Por ejemplo, se me olvidó llamar a mi madre y me montó un pollo. Me montó un pollo. I've used the past tense for that one. I forgot to call my mom and she rode me a chicken. She made a scene. Montar un pollo. Great expression. Me encanta esta expresión. Me fascina. Soy muy fan. Muy, muy fan. Y mi madre también. Número 3. Expresión número 3. I needed to use this one for this because no veo tres en un burro. I can't see 3 on a donkey. You go like this with your eyes. I can't see 3 on a donkey. No veo tres en un burro. What do you think that means? That means you might need glasses. That means you might need glasses because you have a really bad vision. You can't even see 3 people riding a donkey. You can't see 3 people on a donkey. No veo tres en un burro. Déjame las gafas, por favor. Pass me your glasses, please. No veo tres en un burro. That happened to me the other day. I was playing Trivial at my neighbor's house and the cards are so small and my eyes are getting worse and worse these days because I use my phone too much. So I had to say to somebody, ¿Me dejas tus gafas? Can I borrow your glasses? Oh, I felt really old. Seguimos. The expression is ser cuatro gatos. And that's why I'm using it as the 4th expression. Ser cuatro gatos. To be 4 cats. So if I say to you, fui a la fiesta y había 4 gatos. Era muy aburrido. What does that mean? Fui a la fiesta y había 4 gatos. I went to the party, but there was barely anyone there. There were only 4 cats. Había 4 gatos. It's so good. Había 4 gatos. ¿Te imaginas? Éramos 4 gatos pero lo pasamos muy bien. There were very few of us. Éramos 4 gatos, pero lo pasamos muy bien. Había 4 gatos. Éramos 4 gatos. Hay 4 gatos. You conjugate it differently with the different forms of the verb to be. There is, there are, había, hay, present, past, éramos in the past tense, there were, okay? Seguimos. Pues te digo una cosa, yo tengo 2 gatos, I have 2 cats, and 2 is plenty, I don't want any more. 2, 2 es mayoría. Vamos, no quiero más. ¡Qué desastre! Luego os enseño los gatos. Número 5. Ser del año de la pera. To be from the year of the pear. Ser del año de la pera significa, means something that is old, something that is outdated. Ser del año de la pera. Por ejemplo, su coche es del año de la pera. He's got a very old car. His car is from the year of the pear. His car is very outdated. His car is very old. Su coche está... February is coming and I know a lot of people are in this kind of mood at the moment. They're trying to encontrar su media naranja. What? Finding your half orange? Encontrar tu media naranja means, if you think of the expression in English, my other half, to find my half orange. That's how we say it, to find my half orange. Encontrar mi media naranja. Me he apuntado a Tinder. I have signed up on Tinder para encontrar mi media naranja. To find my half orange. I'm not sure if Tinder will be the best option, but that phrase means I have signed up on Tinder to find my ideal partner. That's your half orange, your ideal partner, your perfect partner. Listen to me. Me importa un pepino, me importa un pimiento, o me importa un rábano. Rábano. Did you hear that R? Rábano. Me importa plus one of these vegetables. What does that mean? I couldn't care less. Por ejemplo, te debería importar un pimiento lo que piense la gente. You shouldn't care about what people think. Te debería importar un pimiento. Or when somebody comes with excuses. Oh, no tengo mis deberes. I don't have my homework. Porque los perdí en casa de mis abuelos. Me importa un pimiento que los perdieras. I couldn't care less. You lost them. Yo necesito los deberes. I need your homework, okay? So, me importa un pimiento, un pepino o un rábano. Vamos por la número 8. We are at the end of January. It's the end of January at the moment. A lot of people are kind of a bit broke. You know, dinero, January, enero, it's a tough month. And some people are saying, estoy sin Blanca. What does that mean? That Blanca is not with you? Literal meaning? I'm without a white. What? Or also, the person called Blanca. Blanca is not with me. That's not the meaning, though, of this phrase. This phrase means I am broke. I have no money. Estoy sin Blanca. Oye, ¿me dejas dinero para ir al cine, porfa? Hey, can you lend me some money to go to the cinema? ¿Me dejas dinero para ir al cine, porfa? Estoy sin Blanca. You could say, es que is the beginning of every excuse. Whenever I hear es que, it's like, here we go. Es que estoy sin Blanca. Estoy sin Blanca. I don't have a dime. I don't have a cent. I am broke, mate. Can you lend me some cash? ¿Me dejas dinero? No. No le des la vuelta a la tortilla. Que me gusta una tortilla. I love an omelette. Especially if it's española. Spanish omelette, la mejor del mundo entero. If you haven't tried Spanish omelette, what are you waiting for? Anyway, que me voy por los cerros de Úbeda. I'm getting off topic. Let's go back to the tortilla. No le des la vuelta a la tortilla. Don't turn the omelette around. Don't flip the omelette. What omelette? It means to turn the situation around. For example, somebody's blaming you for something that actually wasn't your fault, but it was their fault, and you say, no. Un momentito. No le des la vuelta a la tortilla. Fue tu culpa, no la mía. It was your fault, not mine. How dare you? ¿Cómo te atreves? No des la vuelta a la tortilla. I love it. Me encanta. Okay, we're almost at the end of it, but before the very, very end, are you enjoying this? Do you like this lesson? Follow me for more and click that like button, por favor. Gracias. Situación. Os pongo en situación. Son las... I'm not lying, okay? It's 2:25. ¿Veis a mis gatos? Ah, those are my cats. 2:25 in England. That is my lunchtime. Spanish lunchtime, okay? We eat at about between 2:30 and 3 p.m. Así que, therefore, tengo un hambre que me muero. I'm so hungry right now. So hungry. Tengo un hambre que me muero. Por lo tanto, me voy a poner morada. I am going to get purple. I'm going to get purple because I'm very hungry. I'm not breathing or something. No, that's not what it means. What it means is that you're going to eat the lot. Yes, you are going to munch all the food. You're going to eat a lot. Ponerse morado or morada. Morado male, morada female. And we normally say, me voy a poner morada. I am going to get purple. Notice that this one is reflexive. That's why I'm using me at the very beginning. Me voy a poner morada. ¿Y tú? ¿Te vas a poner morado? Are you going to get purple? Yo creo que voy a comer una tortilla. I think I'm going to have an omelette today. Sí, me han dado ganas con este vídeo. I'm craving it now. I hope you've enjoyed some of the hilarious idioms we use in Spain. And if you have the chance, make sure you use them as well.